Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute ring with a little butterfly. So let's get started. The materials you'll be needing to make this ring are glue. I'm using this E6000 glue, a pair of scissors, a bead stopper, clear stretch cord. I'm using this 0.8mm, some toothpicks, some connectors. Big connector is just a butterfly, and some small beads. So let's get started. So first you're going to take your stretch cord, clear stretch cord, and cut about 14 inches. So now I have my 14 inches. So first you're going to take your connector, which mine is a butterfly, and you're going to put both strands to one of these little holes right here. So I'm going to take these two little holes right here. So I'm going to put one of my strands on one side of the butterfly, pull the other side and equal it on both sides, and now it'll look like you have two strands. Now you're just going to start putting in your beads. So here I have 4, a connector, 6, a connector, and then 4, and then I have them on top and bottom for the two strands. So first you're going to start putting in your lily beads. For mine I'm doing 4. So I'm put 4 on this strand that I'm working on and 4 on the other strands that I'm going to finish working on. Now I'm just going to do the other one. There you go. So now it's time to put in our connector. So you're going to put one of these little holes, one strand through one of those little holes, and do the same thing with the other side. And just pull it down so it looks something like this. And you're just going to continue on with that process. Now that I finished putting in my connectors and my beads, we're going to start doing the knots. So you're going to flip it over and take the two strands that we have here. You're going to put one strand through one side, and now you're just going to do the same with the other one. There you go. Alright, so we're just going to start pulling that so the beads will come together, as you can see. And now it's time to make our knots. First you want to take it and do simple tie. Then you're going to do a surgeon's knot, which is meaning the same tie but twice. Then we're just going to do a simple tie again. There we go. And tie that. Now we're going to start applying our glue so it could really be secure. So you just be needing a toothpick and a napkin to protect your surface. And you're gonna need your glue. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my glue, squeeze some out. There we go. So you're going to take a little bit of glue on your toothpick or whatever you're using just to apply it. And you're going to apply it on the knot. So I'm going to tighten it one last time before I apply the glue. And there we go. And you can let that dry. Now, so I'll see you when it's fully dry. Now that it's dried, as you can see, I'm going to be cutting the excess with my pairs of scissors. Make sure not to cut the knot. So I cut off one end, as you can see. I'm left with one excess piece, so I'm just cut that off too. Now I cut the excess, and you should be left with a cute ring. And to put it on, I think it's really cute. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video of how to make this cute and adorable ring. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoy. Please subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this, and you'll get notified every time I post a new video. And comment down below for more suggestions on jewelry and crafts. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!